Hi guys, now I'm at Ella Hotel Sumba. Let's check my room. Hello guys, welcome back or welcome if you're new here. I am Theo. Today I will be reviewing my room at Ella Hotel located in Tambolaka, Sumba Island, East Nusa Tenggara. The room that I'm staying is the Deluxe Twin or Double, which is 15 square feet and can accommodate 2 guests. The room price is 529,415 Indonesian rupiahs or 36.9 US dollar. So this is the price per night at the time this video is published. So I stay at Ella Hotel for one night because we have to shoot at West Sumba and then we'd have to directly move to East Sumba to change the hotel. But the first impression for me, this hotel is quite homely, it's clean. The overall impression, the hotel is quite simple and comfortable. And the breakfast is quite nice as well. But if you want to eat out, look no further. Across the street from Ella Hotel, there's a Cirque Cafe which serves delicious food, so it's a very recommended place to eat out beside of the hotel's restaurant. One thing I like about this hotel is that they have a terrace which faces the garden, which is quite calming. So for me, Ella Hotel is a very recommended place to stay when you are in Tambolaka at Sumba Island, East Nusa Tenggara. As usual, I will put the hotel information and the contact number in the description part of this video. And also, I will put the information of the tour that we come to Sumba with, which is Mysumba Tour and Travel. I will also put the information in the description part. Okay, that's all my review for Ella Hotel, and don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you want me to review another hotel or if you have suggestion for me about hotel or tourism spot to review. And I will see you on my next video. Ciao!